GAY Porn Idol. Let's meet our judges. People ask me, what qualifications do you need to be a judge? And with these two, fucking nothing. They are qualified to do nothing. It's Alfie Ordinary. She could be qualified to be a checkout girl at Tesco's. It is, of course, son of a tutu. Spoiler alert, hopefully you watched tonight's episode and you know who got eliminated, but if you didn't, can you please close your eyes for the next 45 minutes, because I don't want to ruin it for you. The latest queen to be sent home was the winner of last week's Snatch Game. I know she won it, and this week they've sent her home. It's BONNiE and Clyde!
Count of three, what day is it? 1, 2, 3! Oh, shut up, stupid!
I had no idea what day it was, but now I know. Right, BONNiE, for you, the rules of the competition are very, very simple. We have 8 contestants waiting backstage to get naked for you. I know! How fucking exciting! But they only have 2 minutes to get naked in, and if they are naked in 2 minutes, they can win £5 from the judges, up to £50. The 9th contestant is picked from the audience by BONNiE, so if you want to do it, get yourself ready. So, that's the rules of... one final decision to make. You can have that £100 and go. Or you can gamble by spinning the wheel. Now, if you spin the wheel, go down there. and it stopped at £500, that is £500. If you stopped at 300, you win 300. However, if it stopped at the question mark, last week's booby prize is back, which is our Christmas tree. But this week, I think it's with batteries. I can't turn it off. It flashes. Oh look, it flashes this week. Oh, so you can take 100 and go, or you can gamble. But if you gamble and it's on the question mark, you lose the money. No, it's not their fucking money. All right, 100 or the wheel. You're going to spin the wheel. The £100 has gone. Okay. I'll move the tree for you. I want a big, hard spin. I need it to go around at least 4 or 5 times. Are you ready? 300, 500 or a Christmas tree. Spin the wheel. See if you can get your knickers on in time. Knickers on. 500, 300, or is it a Christmas tree? Congratulations, £300 is yours, and you're our winner tonight. Well done. And let's hear it for our judges tonight. Out the ordinary, Simon Tutu and BONNiE and Clyde. BONNiE will be back here on Saturday for a show, and we'll celebrate her time on Drag Race. Who will be here next week? There's only 5 left. 5 there, and the week after that, we'll have a finalist here who possibly could be the winner. I can't say who. It's Tutu. In the meantime, here.